Hello everybody, how we doing? This is Tijo from Mikosava, the founder and the main developer, and I wanted to make this quick video of our latest features and what is coming on, to talk about a little the roadmap, but mainly to do a demo of what we have right now and what can be used already by you guys. I wanted to start by pointing that we have the ERC20 and ERC721 trade working. Okay, we can exchange NFTs and coins between everybody around the globe. Okay, this is independent of the DEX status, the DEX liquidity, all the fees on the sexes, the centralization, blah blah blah. We are not doing that. We are just going through from one person to another, which I think is the real decentralization. The real power should reside in the people, of course. And our idea is to empower that idea. And how we're going to do it? We're just going to give the tools to do that stuff. We are going to be like the bridge between the people and give them all kinds of tools to make their life easier in the Web3. So without further delay, let's start our demo. I wanted to point that we're on the Mumbai testnet, the testnet of Polygon, but expect that our platform will be deployed in the mainnets of Ethereum, Optimism, Arbitrum, and Polygon after this video is done, probably. And also I wanted to say that I have two wallets, the OTC1 and OTC2, of Mikosava, Eurofighter 1 and Eurofighter 2, and I'm going to use them as example of how the trading works. Okay, so let's start by saying that I want to exchange 1,000 other tokens, or why not token A? Let's do it. By the way, this list of coins are the ones that I have in my wallet. It's going to display it. Right now they are with the interrogant because we're on the testnet, and yeah, for testing purposes we don't need the logos, I guess. And we can also paste a different coin that you want to trade or give that is not in the list, and it will automatically look in the blockchain in real time and look for it, and it will be added. But for this example, I will pick up the token A. And let's say that I want to exchange it for, maybe for instance, the Chris token, 500, something like that. We can also activate a timer, or just approve it, straightforward. If we wanted to activate the timer, what we'll do is to make this trade available until some time. For instance, we can say until 30 minutes since the trade is open, allow people close it, make a trade with it, or custom or whatever. This will set the validity until when is valid this trade, until when can be traded. It can be useful if you want to be hedged about some big price fluctuations, and we want to have the trade automatically closed after a certain period of time, for instance. Okay, now the transaction is on the go. We are creating a trade, and we can see the transaction here. Okay, or it should be. And now we can see that the trade is opened in the state open. Few interesting information like the token we're trading, the symbol, the amount, valid until, if we had the validity until set it. Who is the seller and who is the buyer? For now there is no buyer, so that's why we have the interrogant. And here we have a contextual menu that we can set few options like share. We can share what we are trying to trade or sell. We can share this QR with somebody. We can scan it. We can share also, grab the link and share it to everywhere we want. And now, if I go inside the trade, I can also cancel it. So all the tokens that I have in the trade are getting returned. or I could go with the other account and close it. Okay, we can see that in the real time it changed. Now, instead of canceling, I have to approve it. Of course, I have to give permission to the platform to exchange my tokens, 500 in this case, because I'm giving 500 as the secondary wallet for the 1000 that the first wallet was offering for this trade. I will approve it. And now I will exchange it. And everything that we needed is the tokens to do the trade and a person to do the counterpart of that trade. And we are done. We can go now to our wallet or just go to open a new trade, and because this list fetches all the tokens we have, we can see here that we have the token A with the 200 amount of tokens that we set, and the trade is done. Okay, we can always go to my trades and see the historic of everything we did. All the trades are sorted by from oldest to newest, and also we can go and see all the application, all the platform trades that happened at some point. Okay. On next video series, we're going to see how the NFT trading works.